For your family, for your future. So that's how we begin, by listening. To see how we can ensure the future you hope for, 800-88-LISTEN or find an agent at Mutual of
Gap between you and your favorite games. You may even find yourself connecting with the characters and dangers in a whole new way. Another interesting aspect about virtual reality.
This is Cleopatra. So she came in eating dog food and now eats grass. So it's a huge improvement. She still doesn't really wombat, but we're getting there.
Okay, I took a bunch of pictures.
Thank you so much. My buddy's doing a direct thing.
Oh my God!